Welcome to the very first edition of A Day in the Life of D&D. We are super excited to launch this series, and we decided to do it because people are always asking us, what do you do in a day? Or what do you eat? When do you work? What do your workouts look out? So all of those, what do your workouts look like? So we put this series together to show you and answer all of those questions that you might have.
Absolutely. We're super excited. We couldn't wait to do this. It's been a long time coming, and we couldn't be more excited to get this rocking. So thank you so much for tuning in and enjoying the adventures with us, because it's going to be super fun and a blast. So sit back and enjoy. So we have a specific morning routine that we go through every single morning. Some of that entails stretching, kombucha, green smoothie,
meditating, and you know what? We wake up early, so we set the alarm early. Around 6 o'clock we get up, sometimes even earlier, 5:30, and that gives us a chance to fit in our morning routine. It really is important to us to help us set up our day for success.
That's right. We also go to sleep very early. Early bird does get the worm, so it's important to us to get up early and get on with our day.
It's breakfast time, the most important meal of the day, so be sure not to skip out. We want to show you what we are making for breakfast this morning. So we are making a yogurt parfait. We have yogurt on the bottom, but this is a non-dairy yogurt, an almond yogurt actually. Make sure that you pick up non-sweetened or non-flavored yogurt, because if it's a flavored yogurt, it's going to have a ton of added sugar. So make sure you pick up non-flavored yogurt. We're going to add some honey here to sweeten it up a bit. So that's one thing that you can do, is buy the non-sugar kind. That's a lot of honey. And then just add a little, I'm so messy, look at that. And this one seems to have a lot more honey than that one. Sorry about that, Drew. And then we're going to add some food on top, some nutrients on top. So we got hemp seeds and pumpkin seeds in here. We're going to add some of that in, some extra protein. And then keep sprinkling, make it more even than the honey. Then we have some muesli here we'll sprinkle on top. We normally make our own granola at home, but we haven't done so yet this week, so we picked up some muesli. We found that the muesli is a better chance to have no sugar. A lot of the pre-made granolas have a lot of sugar in them. So muesli, this one doesn't even have sugar, so that's why we chose muesli. But if you're making your own granola, it's a perfect topping as well. So throw a little muesli on top.
Or you might find Dorothy saying muesli.
Muesli is how I like to say it, but Drew always corrects me and says muesli, Dorothy. But muesli's more fun to say now, isn't it? And then we're just gonna slice up some berries, some strawberries, and some banana, and put that on the top. And there you got it. A nice, nutritious, healthy breakfast. We're just getting ready to go for our morning run here to get energized for the day. Gotta get my shoes on, but first gotta put my sock on. I wear this because of a vein I've got on the back of my leg, so this holds it all in nice and tight. Drew loves it when I wear my compression sock with my capris. Thinks it looks great.
How about the bottom of your sock?
He loves my new socks too. Woohoo!
Those are the worst socks in the world.
Alright, we're getting ready. I got my runners on, my sock on, and the only other thing I got here is my watch and my hat, and we're set to go. We're planning on a 5K today. We just got back from a run, and we had a great run. We started off looking for what? Our goal was 5K, but we were feeling it. So we did a 6K today. Yeah, we're just getting into running again. We kind of slowly went to 3, 4, 5, and today was 6. Woohoo! Today we are hydrating post-run with some of our healing water. So that's going to be ginger. We boil fresh ginger, turmeric, and we put lemon in there. And that helps us heal our body. That's actually a kombucha bottle or a kefir bottle we're using. Glass we like. Yeah, we reuse our bottles. So this one's glass, we really like it. So we just use that as a water bottle.
And do you have snack stuff, or is that?
Yeah, it's always important to fuel after your workout. Within about 30 minutes, you want to grab a snack or something to replenish those lost nutrients through your sweating. So what I got today is what we're refueling with today is we're going to have an apple.
Fuji apples are my favorite.
Fuji apples, Drew's favorite. Mine is a Macintosh because I'm a East Coast gal. And then we don't always make our own snacks. Sometimes we grab some quick and easy things on the go. These honey bars are excellent. There's 5 ingredients: peanuts, honey, almonds, crisp brown rice, and sea salt. That's all we got in there. So we're each gonna have one of those and an apple for a post-workout snack.
Make sure you fuel your body post-workout.
Yeah. We've got monster salads going on for lunch. This is one of our favorites. So we've got a base salad here, a nice tossed salad. Kale, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, orange peppers. Got lots of color going on. So you want to aim for the most color as possible. Well, that's what I do. And then what we're going to do is we're going to toss it up right now. So I'm going to throw on a little bit of Himalayan salt here. Just a little dash of Himalayan salt. And we're going to throw on some pepper, poivre, en français. I like to speak French when I cook. It's a thing. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a little balsamic vinegar. This one is a nice blackberry ginger balsamic. So we're just going to throw on a splash of that here real quick. And a splash on the other ones. I'm making for 2 today, so Drew's reaping the benefits here.
Thank you so much.
And then we've got avocado oil, great for salads. Avocado oil is a nice light oil for dressing up the salads. And then the tossing up. So I'm going to toss that up real quick. Just a little toss. Toss it around. And I'll just show you one for now. I'll finish Drew's after. Or maybe I'll make him finish it himself. But I like to make my food fancy because then it's more enjoyable to eat it if it's nice and fancy and restaurant looking. So what we do is we throw on some quinoa. So this quinoa we pre-cooked. We always have some nice cooked quinoa in the fridge and then it's ready to go. Toss into whatever you're having. And then I'm going to throw in some hummus. Now, normally we make our own hummus, but we're in our beach kitchen right now without our high-powered blender. So, we bought a nice organic hummus. We read those ingredients, made sure they were nice and clean. It's got some hummus on there. Then I'm going to throw on some avocado. You're going to see this monster salad just whip up into shape here. So we've got this avocado. It's going a little bit brown, but Drew and I still eat them a little brown like that. It still will be delicious. Then we got some huevos español. I'm throwing in all kinds of languages today. So I usually throw on 1 egg myself. Drew likes dos huevos. And then I throw those on the side like so. Very nice. And sometimes I like to top it off with a little, some almonds. These almonds are dry roasted with a little bit of sea salt. Normally we get the raw unsalted ones, but sometimes we like to treat ourselves with a little extra sea salted ones. And there we have it. Folks, this is a monster salad. We've got our healthy carbs with the quinoa. We've got our healthy fats with the nuts and the avocado. We've got some nice proteins going on with the chickpea hummus and the eggs. And then we've got our fiber with all the veggies down under. That's how it goes.
Just finished some work chopping it up at the house. It's always nice to get out, we do enjoy the Redondo Beach Library.
Oh, it's a beautiful library. So I'm gonna head on in and work on the computers in there. I'm gonna write some blog posts for you. I got a couple new recipes to post for you guys.
Stuttering Stanley.
Stutter. A little snack before Drew and I head to the grocery store. Never a good idea to grocery shop on an empty belly. We got CTP protein balls and a mango to share. Pow!
It's supper time.
And we are having a delicious green not a green smoothie. A green stir fry. Check it out. We've got avocados. We've got broccolis, asparagus, green beans, and zucchinis, all on a bed of brown rice. Delicious.
Broccoli is plural. It's plural.
Broccolis?
There's no broccolis. Broccoli.
You just said it's plural, so you put an S on it for broccolis.
No, the word is plural alone.
Oh, I don't need to say broccolis?
No, I think zucchini's plural too.
Zucchinis? Drew makes fun of my English all the time.
Anyways, we're ending off the day with a delicious green stir fry to nutritionize our body.
It's always good to be nutritionized.
That word is trademarked, by the way. Trademark. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap things up for the first show
Of Day in the Life with D&D.
Super excited to keep this rocking. So thank you so much for tuning in. We hope you get a chance to tune in next week to see what we're up to.
Bye for now.
See. Blah blah blah.
Blah blah.
Blah.
Blah blah.
I want to watch that.
Okay, just a second. I just want to take a couple bites because it's too delicious.
What are you doing? Breathe.
It's so good.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap things up for our first edition of.
Forgot the name of our show.